Okay, so my sprouting equipment has arrived. Very exciting. You might be asking, what are you talking about? What is sprouting? So basically all you're doing is you're germinating the rice, and it's going to add a lot of benefits to the process of digesting that rice because phytates and phytic acids going to be broken down. Those phytates, phytic acids bind to zinc and iron and a bunch of the good things that's in the rice so that you can't digest it. Now once the seed starts to germinate, that breaks down, and then your body can utilize all that zinc and iron and all those goodies that are in the rice. So that's basically why you want to germinate and sprout your rice. All the equipment you need is right in front of you right now. You need some rice, you need some sort of a drainage pan, and if it doesn't have mixed drinks from 1975 on there, it's not gonna work. You're gonna need some wide mouth ball jars, and then these nifty little strain drain things that you can get online for super cheap. Okay, so I've got the brown rice that I like the most. I've got about a third of the way, maybe a little more than a third of the way in here. I'm gonna put my sprouting lid on there. And first thing I'm gonna do is just rinse it out just to make sure I'm cleaning off the rice. And that's why these things are so sweet, because you can do this as many times as you want. Get that rice nice and clean, get all the debris off of it. So then all you're gonna do after that is you're gonna then set this up, fill it back up all the way. And it's going to be an overnight process. So I'm going to set this up, fill it up all the way, make sure that the rice isn't out of the water, and so it's all at the bottom. Alright, so there's all full here, all full here. Now the process next is you do nothing, but you need to set this in a cool, dry place that's not going to get a lot of humidity and it's not going to create a lot of mold or anything, no direct sun. So I'm going to put this next to the candy so I remember to go get it tomorrow. So during the daytime this gets no direct sunlight. It's super cool. It's right next to the candy, so I'm not going to forget it's there. Alright, so let's make believe it's the next morning now, 12 hours later. So I'm going to drain this thing out. I'm going to rinse it again. Right, so I'm going to rinse this out one more time, get more of the stuff off of the rice, make sure there's no impurities on there, rinse it out. You can rinse it a couple times, but this time we're not going to refill it after we're done rinsing. So again, 12 hours later, this isn't an immediate thing, 12 hours later, you're going to set this thing straight onto your pan, and you want to wash this. It's going to take 24 to 48 hours to do the whole process. Sorry. And you're going to wash this in the morning, wash it in the evening. Again, put it next to candy so you remember to do it at least twice a day. Wash it out. 24, 48 hours, these will start to germinate. Again, keep them in that same cool, dry place, and you should be looking good. So, good luck with your sprouting. Thanks for watching. If you like this, give us a subscription and a like everybody's supposed to say. All right, rock and roll.